Is a nice little feature that's built into Blender that I underestimated, and I think it's really handy because it lets you paint with plants on any surface. Um, the only downside of this thing is that it's destructive. So the other method that I had showed you earlier using the Gscatter add-on is non-destructive, meaning you can go back and change things and all that. Whereas this one you paint it once and it's done, but it's still cool because it's fast and it uses very few resources. So it's really nice because you can paint with plants on any surface, kind of like using a paintbrush. The add-on's already packaged with Blender, you just have to enable it. So if you go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and look for the Object Scatter add-on. So it's called Scatter Objects. And you just turn it on. And all you do really is select an object and then the surface last. And you go to Object Scatter, or you can search for it with the search feature. So it's somewhere in here, but you can also do F3 and type scatter, and then you just click select, and you can start drawing on your surface. So it gives you a little preview of what you're drawing first, and then here on the right in the utility panel, you can add some features and control like the density, the scale of it, the spacing, the randomization with the rotation, if you want less rotation or more rotation. I tend to go for less. Then there's the offset from the surface. And you can explore also different seed variations. So once you're happy with it, you can just hit enter, and it will add the plants to the scene, and you're done. And this is very nice because it's pretty fast. It's a little, you can't really tweak it much after that. You can redo it, but yeah, that's pretty much it.